Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking a break from the BRZ. I just finished uploading my mom's car with all the tools and the stuff we're going to need today. Now, unfortunately, Jay's WRX isn't going to make it down to the garage, so I'm kind of bringing the garage to him. It is about 10:15 right now. I'm going to hurry up and hit the road. Once I get there, I'm going to let him explain everything that we're going to be doing today. I'm pretty sure that we have everything we'll need. You ready to get shit done, bro?
Oh, yeah.
You guys haven't seen the WRX in forever, mainly because it's been out of service. I'll let Jay explain everything that's been going on, but damn. Today it's gonna get a little bit of a refresh. You wanna explain what's going on?
A little makeover.
It's getting a little makeover?
Yeah.
All right, you wanna explain to the, because I told the bros something's gonna go on with your car, but I wanted to let you explain because, you know, it's your car.
Basically, if all goes well, I'm gonna get a turbo XS downpipe and a Tomei Expreme Ti exhaust. And
So
also,
basically what I have.
but better.
Okay, yeah.
Because I have a nice downpipe if I get it from.
All right, yeah, so I'll give you that.
Also, I'm taking off the trunk and I'm trading it for the stock trunk because I have an idea of something new that I want to do for next year.
My guess is it's either going to be a chassis mount wing or a trunk mount wing, because I know you're not getting rid of the wing. I know you're going to have a wing.
I know, yeah.
There's no shot that you're going to have a car without a wing. So today the WRX is getting a whole new exhaust and possibly a new trunk.
And
a new trunk.
Yeah, and a new trunk. And I also ordered my new rims. So
oh yeah, you're also getting you guys will see the new wheels soon. Goodbye ESR. They've been pretty good though, right?
They've been amazing, but most likely what I'm
I hear WRX. I hear WRX. Woohoo!
You can put whatever.
How's it going, bro? How's it going?
What's up, bro? How's it going, bud? How's it going?
Going back to the no wing life. I know I ragged on you about the wing, but I'm gonna kind of miss it. I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. That's almost exactly how his car was, and now it's like this. I thought you guys had race cars, but you guys don't have the tow hook, the race car tow hook. This guy right here is a race car, dude. That's the real race car. All right, wait. Look at this right here. All right.
Oh, it's clean.
It's a little. I mean, it's a little dusty, but it's clean. Then come to yours, dude. What the fuck? God, that's like a dirty hooker in the back of Applebee's, bro.
I think I said Applebee's.
I don't even know. It's just dirty. Clean your car. Forget carbon fiber, bro. This is ultimate weight reduction right here. Yep, looks totally natural.
It's, you know, it's normal.
Looks completely natural.
This might be looks pretty good though.
Come on, bro. Come on. No wang gang. Long story short, it started raining. Jay's car is not working anymore for some reason, and we're gonna try pushing it. Wait, so I didn't explain to everyone why your car couldn't make it down. That gave you a little taste of why he couldn't bring his car over to my house. Basically, there's something wrong with his transmission once again. So since it started raining, we're gonna have to finish the rest of this swap/install, whatever we're doing, inside the parking garage. Basically, we're swapping out this exhaust. It's a Tomei plus J-pipe. I don't know what J-pipe it is, but we're swapping it out for Jay's straight pipe and the NVIDIA J-pipe.
A few moments later.
Long story short, we had to get out of the parking garage because you're not supposed to be doing work in the parking garage. The owner came and talked to us. So we're back at the original spot. We still have to take off Jay's J-pipe and swap it onto that car, vice versa. Yo, I'm just gonna drop it, right?
Yeah.
Wait, yo, just catch it, I'm gonna drop it. Wait, dude, spread them open, bro.
No.
I'm kidding.
Wow, imagine.
Jay, you're letting our team down. They're already done with the whole under tray. Dude, yeah, but we're slacking, dude. Let's move on it.
Did you get?
Oh, got it. Damn, the low life, dude. This is definitely the first time I'm ever swapping exhaust and like working this intensely on a car in a parking lot. Like I could swear like I've never done this before. This is a first for me. I don't know about you. Got the J pipe up, dude. They weren't kidding when they called it a J pipe. It's literally shaped like a J. J pipe. Oh, yeah. J pipe. I probably look like a mess right now. I'm probably like super dirty, super sweaty. But holy shit, that just took like what, a half hour to take out the J pipe alone? What, like 20 minutes to be honest? That is literally where the turbo goes. Yeah. And it's just, that's the whole exhaust right there for you. Now we hit the 50% mark, which is terrible to say because we've been working on this all day. We're gonna slap this exhaust onto that car and then put that exhaust onto this car. I'm just gonna hurry up, bang this out and get this done. The sun is going down now and I really want you guys to hear both cars. Of course, there's a train going by, but I'm just gonna go ahead, put the camera down for a bit, bang this out so you guys can hear both the cars. I'm really excited to hear what they sound like. So I'll check in with you guys once we get the exhaust back on the car.
Eventually.
Go for it, go for it. I don't even know what time it is anymore. I'm so tired. It took a really long time to do this. Now, it wasn't hard. It was just like those little things that are always annoying that just give problems, but everything's good now. We got both the exhaust swap. We got both the trunk swap. Both the cars are shooting massive flames and it looks absolutely sick. Dude, the amount of heat I just felt was fucking insane. Thanks for the cancer though. Dude, the fucking heat was...
I saw his flame from my camera.
Holy shit. How do you like the Tomei? Because now you're in the Tomei gang, bro. How do you like it?
I like the Tomei, but as of right now, it is a little too quiet compared to my last setup.
That's true, that is true.
Yeah, so like I gotta like, once I fix up the car, like I gotta like really rip it and then like I'll really like know for sure. But headers are coming for sure. What
do you think about your straight pipe? How do you like your straight? You like the straight pipe again? Because you've already had a straight pipe before, right?
Well, I was 2.5-inch straight pipe. I just stock mid pipe, so I was never 3-inch.
Oh, so this is like your first time going full out.
So like 2.5 was really raspy.
Yeah.
Compared to this is like perfect.
I mean, I saw those flames from the thing though. That shit was fucking huge.
Dude, I'm happy with today. Like I know it took forever, but I'm happy. I'm happy with the outcome. And these aren't even my cars. These aren't even my cars. See you later. It was nice meeting you too, bro. Take care. See you later, man. Nice meeting you. I never knew how good it could feel just to sit down. I don't know how well you guys will see me right now. I'm trying to use this street light. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Dude, I think the Tomei sounds better on your car than it does on mine.
That's without the headers, so.
True. You're still on stock headers. If you guys do remember that I was ragging on him for getting an STI wing when he doesn't have an STI, but just as soon as I start liking it, he gets rid of it. But there is, like he said, there is better things coming in the future for your car. I'm excited to see it. If you guys want to see it, definitely hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to his channel too. He's going to start posting more on his channel. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.